Menteri Berthamai jo katanat ka kwat khia ka jela ba Wailadmiki Shillong ha khat phra tarik nai lur ulalong ukong san ban ple pat ba ya ka state level Arogya fair ka balapan long ha ka sin baningkong hajila Meghalaya. Ya kini ka jingalang lapan long ha state convention center baladon lang u commissioner and secretary kini katanat joram beda ki officer ki doktor bat ki nos lambat ki pat ba ki bala sha khot ngau ba. Hakajingkran hakani gasngi uba Wailadmiki Shillong ula ai khuble kerpang ya menteri rangba kajela kondot ke sangma ubala shania ban pen khamti ya katanat ka kot ka khia haki jingya lam jong u ula pen pau ka jinget bat ka jingkerman baskem lengba ka jinget relang bat ka jingsnokti jengki officer rangba ki doktor bat baro ki batrei hakani katanat unna ban ai jing shakri babha bat bajanai ya ki pat ba jong ka jilla baro kawe.
So I'm leaving the treatment part to you all here today. But I'm here to lead you all. So, and like I said, I was there for 2 years in the grips. So I can say I have dissected the whole body of human body. But the difference is, it was not a living body, it was a dead body, a cadaver. But I got the idea of the whole system. So I'm very thankful once again to the Honorable Chief Minister for giving me this opportunity. No doubt I cannot deny I am young, inexperienced. But one thing I can say, whatever I do, I take my best. That's what I can say. And I am a very fast learner, and with the support of all the, especially the commissioner, the director, and each and everyone, I hope by working together we'll be able to serve and give a quality help to the people of our state. So once again, I'm very thankful. And it is a special day for me, being the first program. Once again, I'm very thankful to you all. And at the same time, I'll urge all of you to work together. And today, I hope, I would say it's a good start. So, little bit, really it's a great honor and privilege for me to be here in this Arogya fair. As we know, health is the foundation of every society. A strong and prosperous state can only be built on the pillar of physical, mental and social well-being of its people. Today, through the Arogya fair, we are not only highlighting modern medical advancement, but also celebrating the wisdom of our traditional system of healing. Ayurveda, yoga, Unani, Siddha, homeopathy and naturopathy. This system has stood the test of time and continue to offer holistic solution for preventive and curative healthcare. As we gather here, let us remind ourselves that the responsibility of improving health does not lie with the government alone. It is a shared duty of policymakers, health workers, community, and each individual. If we work hand in hand, combining traditional knowledge with modern practices, we can build a healthcare system that is not only accessible and affordable, but also sustainable and inclusive. I urge our doctor, health practitioners, and Ayush experts to continue reaching out to the people at the grassroots. I encourage our youth to take interest in healthy living and preventive care. And I appeal to every citizen to adopt healthier lifestyles. to make wellness a priority in their families and communities. Together, let us work toward reducing the burden of disease and ensuring that no one is left behind in accessible healthcare. The government of Meghalaya, with support from the National Ayush Mission, is committed to strengthening the health delivery in every corner of the state. We will continue to promote awareness, expand facilities, and invest in both infrastructure and human resources. But beyond policies and programs, it is unity and cooperation that will determine our success. It will be more than just an event. It should mark the beginning of renewed commitment. A commitment where government, practitioner, and people come together as partners in health. A commitment where every household in Meghalaya can say with pride, we are healthy, we are strong, and we are moving forward. In conclusion, I wish to thank the organizer, participants, and all citizens who have come here today. Let us embrace the spirit of wellness, draw strength from our tradition, and walk together toward a healthier Meghalaya. So with this few words, you
can say a bit about you. Either English or Hindi. जो भी बोल सकते हैं आप, हिंदी भी चलेगा. Government of India. Banks के लिए PHS के लिए and our institute is one of the largest institutes of Khubor. Using the highest number of patients in this institute, this is the hospital is the highest number of patients every day. That's our homeopathic academy all over the world. How many bedded hospitals? 200 bedded. We have a pediatric medicine. We also have 20 This It's very popular here also. We have this jaggery.